back to my channel. We have a very exciting week today because you tell them where we are.
We're in New York, gang.
We just finished our like 12-hour-long travel day. We're in our Airbnb. We have
some nice pizza pie.
a New York pizza.
First New York pizza we've ever had. First time in New York.
This is both of our first times. We're gonna do a little taste test for you guys on our first ever New York pizza. Cheers.
Cheers, love you, bye.
This is so good. My body was in survival mode after that travel day.
Guys, this is the most she's spoken all day. Just by the way.
He thinks I wasn't talking today because I was just trying to survive the subway, if I'm gonna be so honest. Hi beauties, let me give you an update. So today we are heading into the city, of course, to check it out, do a few things that we need to do. And then we decided to stop at this really cute little coffee shop. They literally had the best matcha I think I've ever had in my entire life. It tasted so good. Like that first sip was crazy. Then we went to the New York Public Library and it was beautiful. Like I wish people still made buildings with that much beautiful architecture, intricate designs, and like all of those little details that are so beautiful. Like I wish we still did them. And then after the public library, we walked around a little bit. We saw the Empire State Building. And then we went to Madison Square Park, which was so beautiful as well. Honestly, just like walking around the whole city was so cool. We went to check out Central Perk, which is the Friends coffee shop, but it was like an experience that you had to like pay for in advance. I'm absolutely loving this city, this trip. Just going and experiencing it is so crazy and so surreal, and it's such a beautiful city, and it really is a concrete jungle. Like it blows my mind that you'll like turn and it'll be buildings that look like they go on forever. Like if I got lost in this city, I don't think I would ever find my way out kind of thing. It's like a maze. That's my little update for you guys. We're on Times Square.
Wait, we have to go this way.
Oh. We're going to a club called Nebula. We're trying to figure out where to go, but we're in Times Square right now. This is actually crazy. It's all My feet hurt so freaking bad. I went live on TikTok during the getting ready process of this and filmed a few TikToks, but we went out tonight. We went clubbing. We went to Nebula, which was super fun. Then we went home and my feet hurt so bad. They have blisters on them so bad already. So we're home now. It's like 3 a.m., something like that. Early night. I attempted to do French twist in my hair. It's gonna look horrible now, but this is what it looked like. And I know it probably looks horrible now after being in the club and dancing and stuff, but the fun thing was the DJ tonight was a Dutch guy, and me and Keenan are two little Dutchies, so that was really fun. We looked at each other and we were like, okay, it's time to go home and make some popcorn, just pulling out all of the bobby pins out of my hair. I think the French twist hairstyle is so cute. Do I think it'll last for the club? No, I don't think it will. Cause I don't think I even like went that hard, and it still was kind of like coming out towards the end. Let's get unready together from this night out. I didn't take any pictures either, and I kind of wish I did because I did really like this look tonight. And I wore kitten heels. I wore like little baby heels. And honestly, I lasted way longer in them than I probably would have if I wore like normal heels. And we were like a while out. We were gonna take the subway for like quite a bit longer. And I was just getting a weird vibe from being like on the subway so late. And my feet were hurting so bad that I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna order an Uber. And that's what we did. We did a dramatic eye look tonight, which I haven't done a dramatic eye look in a minute, but I'm here for it. Really? Was
what?
That bad?
No, I thought you were about to put it on me. I was like, babe, I'm not ready for that.
I was like, was that cringe?
No, that's why I was like, babe, please.
Because your face gave like Alyssa. That's embarrassing. But in reality, he was just naked. And he thought I was gonna spin the camera on him. So let me give you an update on today. We started off our day by going to downtown Brooklyn, which was so cool to see. Keenan shot digitals for his agency today, and I did some like work at a coffee shop, and then we went down and saw the Brooklyn Bridge, which was so insane and
beautiful.
Very beautiful. And then we took the subway over to Central Park, and we walked Central Park. Super pretty. Like, I think it's so cool that they have a huge park like that in the middle of like literally a concrete jungle, so it's like people do have a form of nature in the area. And there was a ton of people there. It was very cool, very fun vibes. There was like a lot to do. We got lunch at a place called Jams, and that was also so freaking good. We're a sucker for anything that's like a toasty vibe, so that was delicious. And the fries were super good and crispy. And then we came back because it's like pretty late in the day and we're so tired because we got up really early this morning and we both have to work tomorrow. It was honestly just like fun to explore more of New York. Good morning, happy Tuesday. We are about to rush out the door. We're gonna go grab some bagels and do a little shopping, and then Keen's has a shoot and I'm gonna work again at a little bakery, but it's gonna be a good day, so come along. You guys, I am having the best time ever in New York City. Like, I honestly wish we could extend the trip. Oh my god, this feels so good. I am so happy that my makeup is off my face and I can just enjoy the rest of the night and chill and let my face breathe. Good morning. Right now I'm in literally the city. I was really shy to vlog in front of everyone the first few days I was here. Now I just don't care. I'm on my way to Angelo David's salon on behalf of Blonde & Co. to get a blowout and to film some content. So I'm super excited to go do that. So we're on the way there right now and I'm in Manhattan. I just got a iced lavender matcha latte and some salmon toast for breakfast. I don't know what type of kid you were raised to be, but I was raised as a avid Cake Boss watcher, okay? Today we went to the original Cake Boss and we got a cannoli. That was a bad accent. Cannoli. I can't say it.
From Jersey.
You were so bad.
Fujalsi. I don't know how to do it.
Got a cannoli and a caramel latte eclair.
Babe, you better took that thing over. She's playing with this like upside down. Good to see you again. A little one-on-one time with me and you. You guys are looking absolutely fantastic today. You guys are actually placed on this perfect little tripod right now. You guys can't see yourselves, but you guys are good. So yeah, we're about to have a little cannoli, a little eclair. We're about to get things done, and we are leaving tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. Big day for all of us. All of us as in us too.
Taste test time. I'm so excited. The Cake Boss
This is what
cannoli.
they talk about on Cake Boss. And? Don't tell me, actually. I want the fresh side too.
Wow. May I please have another bite?
What is in there?
I don't know, but
I
it's
thought it was
delicious.
ice cream in a cannoli. Here we go.
Wow. That is juicy in the middle. I definitely like the cannoli more.
Did you like that?
This is good.
Okay, good. It tastes a little bit like coffee, so I was just checking.
I think like half of it is probably perfect for me. I don't think I could eat a whole thing.
Same here.
It's strong.
It's very rich. Both of these
Yeah.
are super sweet. Would you like some cannoli though?
Yeah, I probably won't have any more of the eclair.
Okay, well then you have the cannoli then.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Thanks, baby.
of course.
Now that it's just the two of us, Angelo David Salon sent me home with a goodie bag, and I want to unbox it with you guys. Inside there is the Flex brush in pink too. Literally it matches my nails. So this is the ultimate detangling brush for wet or dry hair. And then they also gave me their anti-thinning nourishing shampoo with horsetail extract and amino acids. They did their anti-thinning rejuvenating conditioner as well. Oh, as well as their anti-thinning hair wellness vitamins. I've never taken hair vitamins, but I'm actually really excited to try these. And then they also did their anti-thinning stimulating hair serum with horsetail extract and hyaluronic acid. Thank you so much, Angelo David Salon and Blonde & Co. for having me today. I had the best experience ever, and if you guys are in New York City, you guys should totally check them out and go to the salon and get your hair done. It was the best time, and I'm so grateful to have had that experience. Thank you guys. I am afraid to say this is the end of our trip. Tomorrow night we fly out at like 7 p.m. Tomorrow is also uploading day, so I'm just going to upload this video as a whole. If you guys want to see what else I do on Thursday, follow BEAUTYALYSSAROSE on Instagram. I always post real time on there. This trip was honestly a trip of a lifetime, and I feel like something that domino affected probably more trips to here because of how much fun we had here and the connections that we made here, and just the experience overall was so amazing and so fun. It definitely gave us a love for this city. I'm like honestly like planning my trip back already. Like I had the best time. I can't wait to come back. Such a beautiful city, and I'm gonna miss it so much. I'm definitely gonna try to carry the big city energy back with us because it really did wonders for us in our careers and just goal wise. I don't know what it is, but there must be something in the water here because it really just propelled us with energy and motivation, and it really did amazing things for us, and we're so grateful for this trip. It was so fun, so freaking amazing. I mean, I'm excited to go home and see my dogs and get to transfer that energy over there and to see what else unfolds. I'm so excited, honestly, for life right now. I feel so good, so happy. As much as big trips can be draining, I really feel like this one recharged my battery and honestly like added fuel to the fire of energy and just creativity. Thank you guys for joining us on this journey, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next Tutorial Tuesday. Bye, beauties.